St. Winifred's Well, the bathing session of Nana of Cascaitje. Let's see where I can put the camera to capture this magnificent event. Ah, well, I shall put it here. Let's see. This is the water of St. Winifred, who died 2 times because this jealous lover, apparently, he killed her, and then her uncle brought her back to life, and then she died 22 years later. But anyway, right, now I'm ready. So, that's it. I hope I get caught. Oh! I'm in. I'm not sure if I'm on the video. Oh dear, this is rather cold. This is rather cold. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Oh. This is cold. Oh dear, dear, dear. Am I going to be a wimp? Am I even on this video? We cannot be wimps. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Yep. Swim, silly girl. Come on. Oh, la la. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, okay. It's good for me. Oh, 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 la, la, la. Oh, la, 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 la. I've done it. I did it. I don't know if I'm on this video now, but anyway. Oh, oh, that was ice cold. Oh, that's right. Don't be such a wimp. Oh, it's certainly going to do the circulation good. It's refreshing. Knock out all the nasties. Look at those bosses, whatever they're called. Anyway. I did it. I'm sure it's good for me. Well, just in case I'm not on the video in the water, now I am. Absolutely. St. Winifred's Well. Lord have mercy on us, that is. Yes. Oh, it's better than whipping yourself, isn't it? Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, this is very nice. Oh, you're warm now. Oh, I tell you, you have to go in cold water to feel warm. Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, St. Winifred, thank you very much. What nice. I like the smell of burning candles. Well, I mean, I'm not sure if I do, but anyway, never mind. Oh, yes, the Divine Mercy. I went to Wrexham to that Polish priest he came, because she was Polish, the lady that saw him. The bleeding. Was it? No, it's not. Anyway, shirts to no wet clothing. Ah, well, I am wet now, but it's all right when you've been in. Let the peace of this place surround you. Ah, you are God's child, he loves you. Blah, blah. Oh, yes. I've put a candle for Mary and Ian and everybody. Everybody. There we go. It's very cold. I've been, yes, very cold. But anyway, I'm sure it's good for you.
Is there somewhere I can get changed?
Oh yes, they said there's changing rooms. It must be round there, because I did it at the car, but there's changing rooms on the right there, yes, I'm sure. Yes, just around the corner of here.
Right.
Yes. Yeah, it's very clear water. I'm sure it comes from the best of places in Wales. Oh, la, 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 la. There we go. St. Winifred. A lot of people have been here. Well, I've been before too, of course, yes. But that's the water pump. I like that. Isn't that impressive? Yeah? Oh, la, la, look at that, eh? That is impressive to have a water pump do that, eh? Oh. Doesn't say not drinking water, does it? Might as well have it fit. There we go. Tastes soft. Yes. It tastes like soft water to me. Anyway. There's the changing rooms. Yes, I was right. Yes. What a lovely place. And I am very fortunate. Oh, I was wondering where the camera, why it wasn't in my handbag, but of course I'm holding it, you silly girl. Oh, there she is. Oh dear, 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 dear. Oh dear, 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 dear. What a lovely place. St. WINEFRID'S well, Holywell, 1L at the middle, double L at the end. A lot of people have been here. A lot of people have been here. Yes. The candles are wonderful inside. They're much more safety-minded candles than before. I've never been very happy about just having candles wandering around. Oh, and flowers. I've done it. I did it. It's good job I did my purchases before. Oh, oops. Don't trip up. The toilets are wonderful. Oh, I'm all right, yes. Thank you. I'm not dripping, that's okay.
You're all right?
Very. Oh,
Are you about to bed?
It was very cold.
Is it cold?
It must come from the
underground, yes.
The bowels of the world.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know if I was going to go in beyond my legs, but I thought you wimp do it. Yeah, it was. It's good for the circulation.
Absolutely.
And it refreshes your mind as well.
Yeah. You know that, Jess? You can go right in.
Oh yes, another man's going in. He was asking where the changing rooms were, so I said they're just around the corner. But anyway, I'm going to change now back there, because, yes, it's very nice, thank you, it's wonderful. I'll do it again when it's a hotter weather, I think. Oh, those are the candles I like so much. And, yes. Oh, yes, they're wonderful candles. Oh, dear. Right. Oh. It's actually an underground spring, then. It's not coming from the mountains at the top. It's coming from
natural pressure.
Natural pressure. Oh, it's brilliant. Because it's bubbling. You can see it bubbling there. Wonderful. Thank you. Bathing times. Every day. So I did the 3:30. Well, it was by 3:30 by the time I'd gathered the courage after having cups of tea. Oh, I was a right wimp. I was making my tea last. It was subconscious, but I really... Don't hurry me, I'm thinking, but I've never drunk so slowly a cup of tea. Thank you. Thank you, and you. Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, la, 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 la. Now, what's all this say? Agariad, Sridogri, Nuit, Ardagad, Am Gwitha, Lifogel, Ffynnon, Gwenfrewi, Gan, Aucheled, Cardinal Cormu, Murphy O'Connor, Arshers Gob, Westminster. I think that word gob is a bit of an unfortunate for bishop. Archbishop, it must mean. Official opening of blah blah Cardinal Archbishop, so Arshers Gob. What a really unpleasant. Well, no, don't have thought associations with the word gob. Anyway, when was it opened? Well, it was opened June, Mehefin 2005. Well, a lot of famous people have been here. I think some Michael of Kent's been here. Can't remember. I remember seeing a sign once talking about some royalty that's been here too. And they've taken that sign down. Oh well, never mind. Who cares about them? I'm important. I'm the one that got cold. I bet she didn't go in. What a spectacular Gothic. Well, that's a Jane Austen style. It makes you... Anyway, that's it. That's done. One of the 7 wonders of Wales. Well, I've ticked it off a few times. In the beginning of the 16th, this sophisticated, late perpendicular, oh, not Gothic, go on, never mind. Continuous pilgrimage for 1,300 years. Blah, blah, blah. Audio guide. Oh, I didn't need that. Grade 1 listed building. Yeah, yes. Yes. Aragor. That's like Aragorn in Lord of the Rings. Oh, look at that. They've got masses on Sundays at 5 o'clock. Lady Margaret Beaufort Chapel. Oh. Oh. Oh, that must be that church up there that you can't go in. So it's only open. So the church, I didn't see the signs going up. Oh, maybe that's shut now. Oh, I'm not going in that church now. It's too, I'm not in this state. No. Right, off we go.